Company's profile. Volkswagen, shortened to VW, is a German automaker founded in 1937 by the German Labour Front, known for the iconic Beetle and headquartered in Wolfsburg. It is the flagship brand of the Volkswagen Group, the largest automaker by worldwide sales in 2016 and 2017. The group's biggest market is in China, which delivers 40% of its sales and profits. The German term Vogue translates to people, thus Volkswagen translates to people's car. The company's current international advertising slogan is just Volkswagen, which references the name's meaning. In 2010, Volkswagen posted record sales of 6.29 million vehicles with its global market share at 11.4%, while in 2008, Volkswagen became the third largest automaker in the world, and as of 2016, Volkswagen was the second largest manufacturer worldwide, with strong headwinds reported in 2018, predominantly from trade tariffs and new emission standards. Volkswagen Group ended 2018 with record deliveries of 10.8 million vehicles. Volkswagen Group's core market includes Germany and China. In July 2019, Volkswagen invested 2.6 billion in Argo Al, a startup focused on developing self-driving vehicles. Okay, next is, as you guys can see, this is the Volkswagen logo evolution from 1937 to 2019.
The Porsche Diamond model have four. First is sector condition, second is demand condition, third is firm strategy, structure and rivalry, and last is related and supporting industries. For the factor condition, generally it is described conditions of labor force market, cost of labor force, national resources, national infrastructure, and availability of resources. Diversification of production makes the product cheap in the nearest market of its production, product line extension, and product diversification makes the perfect consumerism concept. For the example, Volkswagen Consortium concept creates several distribution, production, and market-based networks around the working. Volkswagen also exploits the absolute advantage of its capital and organization as well as location abroad as it moves to cheap labor or raw material-based countries such as Brazil, China, and Mexico. Next, Volkswagen also considered the comparative advantage from the specialization of the country in terms of knowledge, existing backward linkage facilities, and expertise in specific fields. Therefore, the Porsche Diamond model in respect of Volkswagen show an apparent indication that it has been moving forward to gain global competitive advantage. So, it keeps changes its structure and strategies to cope with the dynamics of industrial capitalism through the process of internalization.
Okay, next factor in Michael Porter's diamond of national advantage is the demand condition. Okay, demand condition has the potential to be an effective source of competitive advantage. It is highly informed and demanding customer will exercise significant pressure on companies to continuously innovate and upgrade their products and services. Furthermore, a competitive advantage can arise from a customer base that is indicative of global demand trends or better shapes customer needs and wants elsewhere. Being one of the most wealthy and prosperous countries not only in the European Union but in the world as well, products of Volkswagen are highly demanded on domestic market and show constant growth. After the World War II, the cars became a symbol for freedom, independence, and strong, modern and future-oriented nation. 72% of all Germans drive German cars. We can see that Volkswagen are selling more affordable cars in countries such as Poland, Czech Republic, and Hungary. Meanwhile, if more expensive cars are highly demanded in Italy, Germany, and France as well. Okay, as you can see, this is the German demand, which is high safety standard, high quality standard, show status, rely on experience, value performance and efficiency, and sustainable cars. Okay, these high standards have enticed innovation in the past, resulting in development such as the four-wheel drive system, and continue to push Volkswagen ahead of its international competitors. In an effort to tackle environmental concerns, the Volkswagen Group recently committed to reducing the average emission of its Volkswagen fleet to just 95 grams of carbon dioxide per kilometer by 2020. It has also launched an ambitious project to produce the world's most fuel-efficient car, the XL1, underlining the impact the German consumer has on Volkswagen goals and innovative spirit. This shows that Volkswagen covers all demands with their different brands and models.
I will explain about the third point of Porter's Diamond 4 factor, which is related supporting industries. This is referred to the upstream and downstream industries that facilitate innovation through the exchange of ideas. Other than that, this can drive up the innovation, but it depends on the level of transparency and knowledge transfer. On top of that, any relevant support industry in the diamond model do fit with the suppliers and customer who can represent the traits or opportunities in the 5 forces model. So now I will explain about the related supporting industries relating to the companies that we have chosen, which is Volkswagen. Okay, so basically, Volkswagen took the first moving advantage in China and Brazil. It also has created the strong backward and forward linkage around the world through the concept of consortium. Other than that, Volkswagen also has estimated the limitations of the product life cycle as well as the trend of dynamic capitalism of the car industry around the world in the terms of rapid changes of consumers' taste and technology. On top of that, basically, Volkswagen has expanded its own product lines and set up a plant in China for producing trucks, as China is going to be the factory of the world. Lastly, organizational structure has also been broadened up to the financial institution, this is a kind of expansion of forward linkage, keeping a view to rapid dynamic capitalism in globalization.
The last factor in 4 Porter Diamond, which that affecting a nation competitiveness, is firm strategy, structure, and rivalry. This factor is related to the way in which an organization is being organized and manage its objective. Furthermore, it also focuses on the condition in a country that determine where a company will be established. It is due to the strong consumer demand, strong supplier base, and high new entrant potential from the related industry. The reason why the company tried to search a new market is due to domestic rivalry. Besides that, rivalry also is a strong indicator of global competitive success. It's become more competitive because they need to share the market in a particular industry. This can provide both advantages and also disadvantages for companies in a certain situation when setting up a company in another country. For example, Volkswagen has changed its global strategic view from the production-oriented to the consumer-oriented through transnationalism, which they try to fulfill the consumer demand. Besides that, the industrial rivalry from the Japanese and also from the USA has been emerged, which is also another force of new trend of dynamic capitalism in vehicle industry. Globalization itself is a competitive force that drives Volkswagen to be more strategic and competitive. So, to face the rivalry, Volkswagen tried to develop a different nature of company from different countries around the world. Furthermore, production of the car is also being decentralized according to the engineering of the production in order to enjoy the economies of scale and scope.